says you cannot start a business with 5,000 naira in Nigeria today? Who says that you can't start a business? Who has told you that you need a big amount of money before you can start up any business? I have come to tell you that you can start up a business with just 5,000 naira. Yes, this is a fact. Stick to the end and I will show you that business that you can do with just 5,000 naira. You can start up this business. In fact, 3,000 naira can start up this business idea that I want to share today. So don't believe the lies that you can start up a business if you don't have a huge amount of money. You don't need to break the bank to start up some business. There are even businesses that you can do without a dime, like starting up that business free and you start making money from that business as much as possible. All those are the things that I'll be sharing with you one after the other. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ifeoma Joy and this is Ifeoma Joy TV, where we talk about business tips, business ideas in line with biblical principles. That is why I say there is no amount of money that you cannot use to start up a business, because we base ours here on biblical principles, the principles that help the people of old. These are principles from God, so that is why you need to be at this corner at all time. If this is your first time of being on my channel, please subscribe. Click that subscription button, then turn on your notification bell so that at any point in time I upload my videos, you will get to see them, right? And if you are a return subscriber, thank you for always being here. Thank you. Thank you for always being here. Thank you for always stopping by. You are the reason why I'm always here. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So like I said, today I'm going to share with you a business that you can start with just 5,000 naira. In fact, you don't even need up to that. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can also get money without even going to your purse to get this business started. Yes, you don't even need to go to your purse. You don't need to even scratch a dime from your purse to start up this business. So I'm going to share with you that idea. I mean, the idea of getting the money to start up this business without you spending a dime from your own pocket. Okay. So what is this business idea I'm talking about? Is chopping, packaging and selling vegetables. Now when I talk about vegetables, yes, there are so many vegetables, but the one I'm talking about is those ones that we need to garnish our food. You know, when you cook the fried rice, the jollof rice, even the white rice, you know, you needed these vegetables. Even in your indomies, in your spaghettis, you need these vegetables. Do you get this? Now I'm talking about carrots, talking about the spring onion, talking about the green peas and the rest. You know, as much as they are, you know, you can get these things done, packaged in a ready-made way that people will not need to stress themselves again slicing these things. And you know what, they'll be very happy when they see you in the market selling this product. They'll be very, very happy because you've made their work so easy, and people will buy as much as you bring it out. People will buy. I've come to discover that people buy anything you bring out and it's attractive. If you bring it out attractively, they will always buy from you. Okay, so how do we do this? What do you need to get started with this business? You only need a chopper to chop those vegetables. Yes, you only need a chopper and the vegetable itself and a ziploc bag. I mean, ziploc bag, like a nylon bag, ziploc bag like this. You need it to package this product. If you don't have a ziploc bag, or maybe you couldn't get a ziploc bag, you can get a nylon to package this vegetables, right? Because most times when I buy these things, I buy from their bookies and they only retire in nylon. You can get that too. You don't need to break the bank, because someone will say, okay, ziploc bag might be more expensive than a nylon. So you can get either a ziploc bag or you get a nylon to package this product, right? Okay, so the next thing is that you need to do is to chop these vegetables. Chop them in a very neat way. You chop them in a very neat way, then you package them together. After chopping them, you mix them together. You put every other thing, those ones that needed not to be chopped, you mix them together, then you package it in that bag, right? In that ziploc bag, or you use a nylon bag and tie them well so that breeze doesn't get into it. Then you go to a market area, an open place. You don't need a shop for this. Just go to a market area or somewhere close to the market, or in an open place around where people will pass. You know, those people going home from work, those coming back, you know, different people up and down, they walk. So just get an open place, get a table or something that you can use to display this product. Okay, then you set it out there. Set it out there. Those abokis, they use this wheelbarrow. Yeah, they use this wheelbarrow. They place the one that are not chopped and place the ones that are chopped there, and then they start selling. Okay, somebody like this now, where I used to buy, this is how this person used to package his own. Just tie in a nylon and then sell along the road, and people buys them. Most times before I get there, it would have finished. For me to get it, I have to walk, I have to go fast, quick. At least before 7 p.m., I should have gotten there so that I'll get, because most times when I get there after 6 or 7, I don't meet it again. And sometimes it might just be, slicing others. And these avocats, they don't even use chopper, they use knife. So you wouldn't have an excuse that, okay, well, I couldn't buy a chopper is expensive. You can also use knife, but you just need to make everything neat, properly washed and packaged well. People will always come for these things, right? Now you ask, how do you sell it? Just like I said, get an open place close to the market or around areas, your street where people pass. Vegetables look so attractive. So when you package them in such open nylon, as in not those, plain nylon or the Ziploc bags that are transparent, people sees them, it attracts. Even if you don't need to, you don't even want to buy, you'll be forced to buy. Okay, and there are other ones you can even do, like garbage. You cut the garbage, slice it very neatly and fine with carrot and cucumber. Then you set it up in those Ziploc bags too. Instead of someone going to buy all these things and trying to make a salad, they will just buy from you, just get the cream and mix it, instead of wasting their time trying to slice and do all those things. Because after people close from work, or maybe after the day jobs or businesses, they get so tired that even if they want to do these things, it becomes so tiring. So when you get this thing prepared for them, they will always come back to buy from you. So there are ways to make money. These are simple, easy ways. And I tell you, this business will fetch you thousands of naira. Yes, in a month you make thousands of naira if you can follow up with this business process, right? So you can sell them at prices that are random scale to avoid all those palaver of change. Madam, my 550 naira, my 10 naira. You can make, package at 100 naira, package at 200, package at 300, package at 400, 500 naira. People will buy, okay? So you set it out, just like I said, in an open place. Bakam, that's all. So you don't need much to start this business. When people tell you that you need to break the bank to start business, no, it's not all business. There are even some that you don't even need to start up with any business. And like I said, I'm going to share with you ways that you can even use to get money to start up this business. If at all you don't even have the time, or you don't even want to spend from your pocket, you can start up this business without touching 1 naira from your pocket, right? So if you're at this point and have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. I have a lot of things to share with you this period. So subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you get my videos whenever I upload them. And my return subscriber, thank you. Thank you for always being here. Thank you. God bless you. Okay. So lastly, I said I was going to share with you the methods you can use to get this money. When I started my online business, that was way back 2020. There's this method that my coach taught us. Okay. So after going for the training, you want to start the business, you have so many friends and families on your contact list, your WhatsApp and all that. Okay, so you just get to that area on WhatsApp, create broadcast list, okay, of your friends and family. Mind you, those that are working, those that that they have, at least they have change in their pockets, okay, to spare. Then you just send them a message. Let it just be like you're chatting them directly. Okay, you are sending that message to a lot of people, maybe like 100 of them, maybe like 50 of them. You just send them a message. Oh, hello friend, or hello sis, hello bros. I have you pack the female in one broadcast list and the males in one broadcast list. Hello sis, or hello bros, hello friend. I just went for training, and then to practicalize this training, I need to make complete some amount of money to practice this training, and I love this training so much. It's going to help my business, going to help me. So please, I just need 8,000 naira to complete this practicals, or to get the practical ingredients or the practical items to do this training, to complete this training. Or you can even use 500 naira. Please, this is my account number. I'll be so grateful if you can complete this money for me. I need it between today and tomorrow. That's why I had to reach out to you. Please, if you can help, I'll be so grateful. Just send it back. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people might decide to send you. Some people send you more than that if you have them so many. So we can even send you much more than that. When we tried it, then at least we were able to even get like 50K to start up the online businesses that we learned at that period that my coach taught us about this system. Okay, so just try this and see how you start building your own business, building your own brand, and become a boss of your own instead of sitting and waiting for people to feed you every day. You can start up this business. Even if you are in school, you are in the university, you can do this. Your roommates, they need it. Just walk around the rooms if you're within the school hostels, or if you're not staying in the school hostels, you know where students stays around your area. Get to them, sell 100 naira, 200. They need it. They need it for their indomies. They need these vegetables for their spaghettis. They need this vegetable, even in their beans. They need it to garnish their egg. They need it. So go around today. Go and do this business and thank me later. Yes, I remain your best friend, your business tip giver, Ifeoma Joy. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Next, I'll be bringing you other businesses that you can do without even a dime coming out of your pockets. Okay? Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.